Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel. And you've seen this before. This is the left switch that we redo to have to electronic ignition switches, and whether you have a Surefly or an Electro-Air, it'll work for either. But we've had a lot of people who've wanted the metal panels to replace that one with, and they want to have a left mag and a right mag. Well, the complete package, and this has been done by people like Jimmy Candeletti and Mark Matthews and I over the years, we have that complete package available. So let me tell you what's in it. So stay tuned for some more fun. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So when you want to say, I want to put a switch panel, we don't make any money. We don't make a panel and sell it to you. What we do is we give you the CAD file, the installation instructions, and everything else that go with it, including a parts list, so you can order all the pieces yourself and then have it made, shipped directly to you. And as I said, this comes with a complete parts list of all the pieces you need to order to fill out the panel, and it also comes with a complete steps of installation notes that we've been compiling and keeping straight over the years. So we hope you found all this useful. Enjoy it. It's a free gift from us, and we hope you make the airplane look even prettier. We're not involved in it. We're not making any money on it. As I say, this is a community project. Mark Matthews started it when we put the electronic ignition system in his Tiger in 2013, and it's been modified by me, by Jimmy Candeletti, and others, and now we have a pretty universal one. So here are the two candidate panels that we're talking about. This one is for a mag on the left and an electronic ignition system on the right, and the other one you're going to see coming up here with the universal cuts is a left mag and a right mag, and a lot of people with the Sureflies are going this way. And in the package you get, you will also get both pictures. You'll get the EIS and the mag, as well as the dual mag solution. So the package has everything you need, including both of the design packages for you to send to Front Panel Express and get it. So I know this is probably more than a lot of you ever wanted to know about your left panel, and I'm going to be adding some slides and some talkovers in here intermixed with this. But ladies and gentlemen, that's your left panel. Again, it's made out of 40 thousandths aluminum. It's etched. It's very nice. It won't rub. It's not like the plastic. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. So here are the cute kittens all being quiet on the sofa on this nice cold day. Thought you'd enjoy it. So take a look at these little beauties. They're 8 and 10 months old each.